Hey friends, this is Asif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Yesterday we were watching at this triangle that was formed on the 4-hourly time frame, and the price line has finally broken down this triangle. And in today's video, we will analyze where the price line can go next now. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me show you this triangle that we were watching yesterday that the price line has formed on the 4-hourly time frame. And you can see that the formation was started here on 21st of January, and finally we have broken down this triangle. But remember guys, before this, we already have a fake out to the downside. So it is possible that the price line recovers back and move inside this triangle. However, now our target to the downside after this breakdown can be, if I place this trend line at the breakdown point, then that can be here approximately at $32,500. And if we would have a breakout from the resistance, then our target could be approximately $43,800 or $44,000. Now, if we switch to the daily time frame from here, as yesterday I was telling you that we have a very big hidden bearish divergence on the daily time frame. You can see that the price line was not able to make a new high. And if we take a look at the price, this oscillator, the RSI oscillator on the daily time frame, it was forming a higher than previous high. So there was a hidden bearish divergence on the daily time frame. Therefore, I told you that we may have a move to the downside from here. We need to form another high than previous high as soon as possible, and to break out this resistance of the down channel in order to remove this hidden bearish divergence from the daily time frame. Now the price line is likely to follow this signal, and for example, if the price line moves down all the way up to this support of the channel, that will be approximately at $30,000. And there we have a very strong psychological support as well. Now if we switch to the daily to the weekly time frame from here to watch a bigger picture, the exact support to the downside we have approximately here at $28,600. We can see that we have so many touch points here and here, and if the price line breaks down $30,000, then it can test once more this $28,600 support. That is really very strong support. And before that, we also have this 100 weekly simple moving average. Before that, we had this 50 simple moving average, and after breaking down this 50 simple moving average, now we are going to test 100 simple moving average that is aggressively moving to the outside. But the bad thing on this weekly time frame chart is this 50 simple moving average has started moving to the downside, and once it will cross down this 100 simple moving average, the bigger time frame moving average, that will be really bearish. But so far it is not crossing down. It has just started moving to the downside. It is possible that it will change its way and its position and starts moving to the upside again. Now overall the situation seems to be like we are going to have a dump before a very big pump. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.